I've just had a complaint from a couple called Darren and Ella. They said that I hard sold them, pressure sold them. First I pressure sold them to come to the crash course. Then I pressure sold them to buy my training programs. Then I pressure sold them to go and take action to get some property deals. Then I pressure sold them to keep going and become property millionaires. Now they're property millionaires. And this is what they have to say about all my hard selling.
So at what point did you actually come down to the crash course, go on the academy? What was that journey like?
Not that long ago, was it? It was November, I think.
Yeah, the tail end of November last year. So yeah, we came down to the crash course. We actually said, I don't know if I should say this, but we said that we wouldn't be invested in further training because we'd been to training before and we didn't feel it was for us. But when we were there, we thought that it's actually a no-brainer, because if we could do what we've done just by watching your YouTube videos, what could we do using all these other strategies?
Yeah, we thought we'd be nosy, wouldn't we, and see what was going on.
The first day of the crash course, we were straight at the back.
We just signed straight up, didn't we?
Yeah, spoke to Alistair and signed up straight away. And
so you were on the receiving end of the pressure selling?
Yeah, pressure selling, exactly. No, we were actually at the back like, what can we do now, before it even got to that point.
And actually, Alistair even said to us, do you know what, I'm not going to sell to you. If you're going to do it, you're going to do it. If not, then whatever. Yeah. He didn't sell us at all, did he?
No, because we actually went to him and said, can we have a word? Can we have a chat? And we want to talk to you about the academy, because the what we got just from the crash course and from the YouTube videos was enough for us to make money, wasn't it?
Yeah, so we knew
from refinancing that first house.
And if you can do that with no support, what can you do with support? Yeah. So it made sense to us.
And you've been doing business with a lot of academy members.
Yeah. Yeah, and JVs are the thing that we want to do, and we've actually done a deal with you, haven't we?
Yeah.
With the money and the lease option on the land.
Yeah.
We've got several of the academy members that message us constantly. You know, what have you got coming up now? Anything we can get involved in, which is incredible, isn't it?
Yeah, we can't find the deals quick enough.
Can't find the deals quick enough. Yeah.
It's funny because
at first you were kind of wanting to invest your money into deals, and people were coming to you with deals, and then you were looking at them and seeing whether it might work for you. But now it's getting to a point whereby you've got lots of deals and you've got people coming to you wanting to invest in the deals, which is just a really good season to be in.
It is, yeah.
And it wasn't really even intentional, was it?
Well, that post that you put up for the commercial to residential.
We just posted something on social media about the deal that we'd done already, and from that post we just had this influx of people wanting to invest with us, so we've created an investor list without even trying to.
But you are very active on Facebook. Yeah. I mean, especially you Darren, I see you posting a lot of really positive stuff, and also whenever there's negativity going on, I know that Darren's always going to. He won't be saying negative stuff. He'll be shooting down all the negative people. Yeah. But you can, because you've done it. You've got the right.
Yeah. If you've walked the walk, then why not? Yeah. And I think that's really important as well. And that's obviously coming across well, because people message us a lot, to say, let's do this, let's do that. And even people are coming to us now with their own deals, saying we're not quite sure what to do with this. Yeah. Can you help us?
Yeah. Can you?
And this is like 8 months after the crash course. Yeah. So yeah, not sure where we're going to be in 5 years' time, but.
So that's Darren and Ella. Folks, every single week we have winners on a Wednesday. Darren and Ella are going to be this week's winners on a Wednesday. On Wednesday, if you want to be sat in my living room, you want to be interviewed about property, you want to talk about how you become financially free, you become a property millionaire, then you are going to have to sell yourself. Sell yourself. Sell yourself on your dreams. I'll sell you on my course. You can click the link in the description, pay £1, and for 7 days you can go through the Property Investors Crash Course, £95 a month. You can have coaching, you can have one-on-one mentoring. I'll sell you on that, but you've got to sell yourself. Sell yourself on why you've got to do this, and hopefully I'll see you in my living room real soon for a Winners on a Wednesday. Comment below, let me know when you're going to be on Winners on a Wednesday. Smash the like button, subscribe, turn the notification bell on. I'll see you on Wednesday. Peace out.